everybody and welcome to my introduction on the Ruber Ducky from Hak5. The Ruber Ducky is a programmable HID that was created by Darren Kitchen. It can be used for changing system settings, opening back doors, basically anything that you can do when you've got physical access to a keyboard on a computer. It uses its own scripting language, which is surprisingly simple to use. Just writing the word enter in uppercase would be the same as pressing enter on a keyboard. So you just program the device to do what you would want to do had you had physical access to a keyboard of a computer, plug it in, and then watch it mimic the commands that you've just given it. So since this video is just an introduction to the Ruber Ducky, I'm going to keep it simple and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to use by programming it to open up a text editor and print some ASCII art onto the screen. So the first thing you want to go and do is find yourself some ASCII art. I just searched on Google and I found this picture of Bart Simpson. I've just saved it to my computer. So we want to go and save yours and then open terminal, just ready for when we need it. To encode our source files, we're going to use the Duck encoder, and I'll make sure I put links to those below. Now you'll notice that the version I'm using is Duck encoder -UK. That's just so that it's compatible with the keyboard layout that I use. Go ahead and run the Duck encoder to be shown how to use the application, as well as showing commands that you can use while programming the Ruber Ducky. Next we want to go and create our source code file, so go ahead and create a new file. In this case I'm going to call it bart.txt. Open it up in a text editor and we'll start programming. So the first line that I'm going to use is delay of 1000. This is so when we first plug the device in, it gives it a little time for the drivers to be installed in case it's a slow computer. Next we want to open a run box by issuing the Windows key, in this case GUI followed by R, and we'll delay that by 300 in case it is a slow computer and it takes a little while for the run box to show. We want to type out notepad.ASCII by using the string command, followed by the enter command on a new line to run the application. Delay that by 300, giving time for Notepad to open, and then we're going to start to enter our ASCII art. Open the text file that had the ASCII art in, copy everything, and paste it into a new line in our source code. We want to print each line of the art as a string of text, so use the string command at the beginning of each line, and then create a blank line below where we can issue the enter command. This is so that the Ruber Ducky presses the enter key at the end of each line of art. Make sure to do this for each line of the image. Go ahead and save our source code and then come out of it. Now let's run the Duck encoder using the input tag followed by the location of the source code that we've created. In this case it was bart.txt. This will then create a new file called inject.bin. We're going to take that and move it onto the Ruber Ducky. And with that we're done. Take your Ruber Ducky, plug it into a Windows machine and watch it do its thing.